Hello everyone! Today, we'll explore how to use the green screen feature in Capcut on your PC. Green screens offer endless creative possibilities, and Capcut makes the process simple and effective. So, let's get into it. If you haven't already installed Capcut, head to the Capcut website and download the PC version. Once downloaded, install the software on your computer. Open Capcut on your PC and create a new project by clicking on New Project. I've already opened a project. Now, import the clips you want to use. You'll need two clips, one with the green screen background and another with the content you want to overlay. Click on Import and select a video from your computer. Once you select the video, click on the Open button. Drag both clips to the timeline one by one. Set the videos on the track. To remove the green color, select the top content clip. Navigate to the left and in the Video tab, open the cutout section. Choose Chroma Key from the options, and then click on the color picker. Let's go to the Preview tab and click on the color that you want to remove. Once you select it, from the right side, adjust the sliders until the green background becomes transparent. Slide the shadow slider to remove color effects completely. Once you've done everything, let's play the video to have a preview. So this is how you can use the green screen on a Capcut PC. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.